I think we all know that Oracle provides us REST APIs to query information, and we cannot directly run a SQL query on the Oracle database. I mean, we can after we log into Fusion, but let's say we are not logging into Fusion, and you still want to extract some information that is done using the REST API. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I connected Streamlit with REST API. I did not use anything called Postman. I used something called Streamlit. I'm sure you might have seen my other generative AI videos where I've used Streamlit as a front end. So I'm going to use that here. Okay. So I go to my folder. Let me see the code. Okay. So these are the different codes which I've written. The first one is just the test one which I've done, but I want to show you the second one. Okay. Streamlit run 2.py. That's the name I had given to the code. So it opens the Streamlit application on my local machine. Okay, so what it does is I've given the base URL of the Oracle, right? Oracle instance and the resource path. Now this resource path is your REST API, which is this one. Okay, REST API resource path and the Oracle and username I want to run here. Okay, so I'm going to be pasting my Oracle username and password over here. Okay, and then I click on run query. So it's querying this database. It says query successful, and you can see that it pulls up all the AP invoices. Okay, US1 business unit. Okay, now this one is without any parameters. It's just going to give me the list, complete list. And there is a particular setting that it is only going to show me 24 by default. If needed, we can change the configuration and we can add more. But I'm interested in putting some conditions. Okay. And it's not that we'll just keep querying the invoices using the web services. We need something based on a condition. So in the next one, I'm going to show you how I did that with a condition. Okay. So this one just to show you how I can query Oracle using the Streamlit UI. Now let me go to the next one. Let's close this. Okay, now let me run the next one, which is Streamlit run 3.py. Again, it'll open up a browser and it'll open up the application. It's saying Oracle SAS data query, same base URL, the resource path. Now again, I'll have to paste my username and password. Okay, just let me paste the password first. And then I paste the username. Now, see, now local filter criteria. Now, in this scenario, I have given something known as invoices in the submitted status. Okay, and I have given invoice amount greater than $1,000. This is the condition I'm trying to filter with. Okay, let me run the query. You can increase or decrease this using this option, and I'm going to run this query. Again, it says querying this particular REST API. Query successful. In fact, it's showing me the list of columns. Okay, I've put a logic so that it displays the list of columns here because these are the things which we can use when we query it, for generative AI purposes also, right? So I've done that, and then it shows me all the retrieved invoices. Now this is again invoice number. Anything I think I don't know how zero came in, but it should be anything greater than $1,000. Okay, so this is the next one which I've done. Now the thing is, I'm on a path. I'm on a path to query something based on what we normally do with SQL queries. But since SQL queries are not possible here, I'm trying to achieve something different. Okay. And I'll tell you what I want to do. So if you remember in one of my previous videos, let me go there first. Let me go to my videos, go to my playlist. So in the generative AI play series, I had done something known as customer segmentation. Yeah, this one. Okay, I had done something known as customer segmentation, and for which I had used this data file. Okay, customer, product, invoice number, invoice date, payment terms. This is AR, by the way. Okay, and invoice payment status, payment method, all this. Outstanding payment, delayed payment, delinquent, credit limit, and credit score. So now the thing is, this is not necessary that this may come from one table. This kind of data, this is an export of an SQL. Okay, so obviously we cannot get this with one single web service. Okay, we may have to get this information based on multiple web services, and then we have to identify the logic to combine them. So that's what I'm working towards. So if any one of you, knows how we can use any technical tool like web services, OICS, or anything like that, which can help me combine without writing a core SQL query, right? Because if it's SQL, it's pretty straightforward. Unfortunately, from external applications like this, I cannot use SQL. I cannot connect using SQL. If I can, if anybody of you know a way I can do that, please let me know. If not, if you know any alternative versions, any alternative methods to do this, please let me know because that's what I'm looking for. Okay. So just wanted to show this and ask for this kind of help. If any one of you know that, please do comment and we can connect. All right. Thank you so much for your time. We'll talk to you in the next session. Bye.